MBOT closed the week that ended on the 22nd of August with a gain of 9.27% on its daily chart. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that strength will remain in place up till Tuesday the 26th, and then after that, we might go into an accumulative contraction that may before that accumulative contraction, it might pull back all the way towards Friday the 29th. Then after that, by Tuesday the 2nd, let's see, by it seems there's going to be a holiday in the US. Yeah, on Monday the 1st of September. Then, okay, so Monday the 1st of September, cumulative contraction might be the order up till Thursday the 25th of September. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. In terms of projections, we have down projection of 3.78, but we may have upper projections. We have an intraday high here, 3.97. So it's not only down projections, there is an upper projection, 3.97 there. Let's slide sideways and see whether we have anything to the upside. Yeah, we have 4.07. This was as of the 11th of February. 4.07. Let's see. Yeah, 4.07. Not, we have not seen anything. I've not seen it. Okay, but yeah, 4.07. There's also 4.34, 4.67. This was as of the 5th of June. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so in terms of its price pressure momentums, let's see what we have. Everything is strongly bullish, nothing bearish here, nothing negative, even though the second derivatives are not exactly that robustly bullish or robustly positive. Okay, so the line trend is strongly bullish, sloping bullishly upwards. Okay, let's see now. There isn't really any fresh news as such. The news was okay. It was about patents for Liberty System. You're going to hear more about that pretty soon. So let's look at the weekly chart. Here on the weekly chart, yeah, here we have it's the ambitious. The projections here are ambitious. Okay, now we've seen something close to 4.75, but we haven't seen 5.15. The extrapolation is saying that it will continue to show strength up till Monday, the 27th of October. Okay, still on the theme of projections, we have here 6.56. Okay, that's an old projection, but may still be relevant. 5.39, I've mentioned that. 5.17, okay, 5.39, 5.17. So I think there's ample room to the upside. Yeah, okay, let's see here. As far back as 2022, okay, had projections up to 6.24, 6.86, 7.25. Yeah, that's on the line trend on this weekly chart is a bearish one, so it's indicating that yeah, there are a host of upper projections that the stock has left in its wake, um, going by the underlying trend of that chart. So this is the 4-hour chart. It's indicating that the strength will remain in place up till Monday. Yeah, Monday's next trading session, and then after that, it might cool off, contract somewhat, and then maybe the uptrend may resume. Okay, so let's see what we have in terms of projections. I think we've seen a lot already. Yeah, here the buying pressure will be a lot more amplified. Yes, amplified here. Nothing negative. Everything's robustly uh, robust trend mode and robust and strong derivatives, indicating that, amongst other things, it may also indicate that maybe this may not be the best time to buy. It may not be the best time to buy. It's just the best time to just observe and see what's going on. If you want to trade, it may present, a buying opportunity. There might be a range here. We can look at the range and see what it's indicating. All we need to do is use the market grid to just give us a channel, a it agreed a range of prices that it has the potential of trading within in the interim. So we have here um, 3.62 is would indicate would signal an opportunity to buy the dip. So 4.06 will be a signal to exit. So currently it's at 3.89. So where does that lie? 3.89. Okay, so it's in the resistance zone, right on its first resistance. So it's indicating that it's building up strength. At the same time, it could also mean that since it's called resistance, it may also mean that a pullback may also happen. So either way, so uh, a bullish perspective of it will be that it's advancing. It's going to test maybe 4.06. You know, and if the strength remains in place up to the close of tomorrow, the 16th, the 25th, then it may well test those highs. Yeah, may well do so. So let's see what the readout is saying concerning the stock.
Today, we're diving into MBOT, Microbot Medical Inc., and unpacking the latest news, community hype, and what might be next. Let's jump right into it. What's driving the current excitement around MBOT? Good question. There are several recently announced catalysts fueling investor hype. MBOT just received a US patent broadening the potential applications of its groundbreaking Liberty system. The company also secured a non dilutive grant, helping ramp up operations without raising money via stock offerings. And they've expanded their leadership. Christina Bailey named VP of Sales, plus new hires in marketing and HR, getting ready for commercialization. On top of all that, MBOT was added to the Russell Microcap Index, a visibility boost for institutional investors. 2. How is the online community reacting to all this? Social sentiment is buzzing, especially on Reddit. We know an FDA approval decision is expected in Q3 2025. Numerous openings for area sales managers, FDA approval expected, product launch in Q4 2025. 10x potential with Microbot Medical $MBOT penny stock. Over on StockTwits, and according to Alt Index, MBOT saw a significant spike with 209 mentions just yesterday, the 23rd of August 2025. Combined with Reddit conversation, the chatter is very much alive. 3. What's the current price action and sentiment from analysts? Right now, MBOT is trading around $3.85, moving within the range of $3.51 to $3.96 intraday. Analyst sentiment looks strong, a strong buy with a 12-month price target of $9. That's a potential upside of over 130% from here. Financials show a small clinical stage medical device company, market cap about 175M, negative EPS, but what really matters is the upcoming Q3 2025 510K decision. 4. Are there any potential risks to watch out for? Absolutely. Keep an eye on FDA timing, delays could kill hype. Possible dilution, although grant funding helps reduce this concern. And while patent wins and hiring look great, they only matter if the FDA clearance and commercialization actually follow. 5. So, what's the bottom line heading into Q3 2025? To sum up, strong speculative momentum, supported by patents, grants, index inclusion, and hires. Retail excitement is intense, with bullish chatter across platforms. Analyst view remains bullish, with a bold price target. But regulatory and execution risk remain real. If you're bullish on MBOT, now's a good time to stay dialed in for the FDA decision due Q3 2025. That's your high energy MBOT overview. If you want deeper dives like filing analysis, options flow, or comparing MBOT to other medtech disruptors, drop a comment below.